United States, U.S. President Donald Trump has accused members of the Israel House of Assembly, known in Hebrew word as Knesset, of apparent politically witch-hunting the Israel Prime Minister, Benjamin Netanyahu, with corruption case President Trump had described as nothing but political witch hunt, saying the Knesset prosecutors should let Benjamin Netanyahu go, that he's a war hero who have worked with the US to eliminate Iran nuclear threats, and currently he has a big job to do with negotiations of peace deals with Iran and Hamas, stressing in a question manner how possible is it for the Israel Prime Minister to sit in court all day long. The Prime Minister lawyer had filed a 2-week delay of the case, citing national security demands following the 12-day Israel-Iran war, but the court sitting in Jerusalem rejected the application on Friday, and Benjamin Netanyahu, who has spent 20 years as Israel Prime Minister, was expected to be in court on Monday for cross-examination in the corruption case that started with police investigation in 2016 and the court trial commenced in 2020. But a report from some foreign media quoting the Prime Minister political party, Likud, a few hours ago indicated that the court on Sunday has postponed the case and cancelled it from holding this week. Similarly, some members of the Knesset had accused the Prime Minister of trying to use the regional war with Hamas, Hezbollah and Iran to secure an end to the corruption charges. The foreign media reported that the Israeli court on Sunday postponed Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu's testimony in his corruption trial after he allegedly requested a delay with the support of US President Donald Trump, in a ruling published by the Premier's party. Following the explanations given, we partially accept the request and cancel at this stage Mr. Netanyahu's hearings scheduled for this week, the Jerusalem District Court said in its ruling, published online by the Likud party. It would be recalled that the Israel police began investigating Netanyahu in December 2016 and subsequently recommended indictments against him. The court is presided over by a panel of 3 Jerusalem District Court judges, Rivka Friedman-Feldman, Moshe Bar-Am, and Oded Sheam. Local media had reported that Friedman-Feldman previously served on the judicial panel that convicted former Israel Prime Minister Ehud Olmert of bribery, which the former Prime Minister was sentenced to 6-year imprisonment. On the 21st of November 2019, Netanyahu was officially indicted for breach of trust, accepting bribes, and fraud, leading him to legally relinquish his ministry portfolios other than Prime Minister. Netanyahu's trial in the Jerusalem District Court began on the 24th of May 2020,